In the quilting world, a tale to unfold. For beginners with long hair, a story bold. A warning, a chuckle, a lesson to see. Of locks and stitches in a sewing spree. Oh, heed this advice, my quilter dear, lest you weave your hair into stitches so clear. To unsew a seam with a lock in the mix, a hairy endeavor, a quilter's fix. So tie up your hair in ribbons so neat, a dance with the fabric, a rhythm, a beat. For seeing your work is the quilter's delight, not strands in your eyes causing quite a plight. Beware the scissors in your cutting delight, as you lean over, blades poised in the light. Locks may fall victim to the cutting spree. A snip and a gasp, a hairy decree. To grow back an inch or two, my oh my, is a task that requires both patience and sigh. So tie up your tresses, a quilter's decree. A hair tie, your ally, your newfound glee. Perhaps your first project, a lesson learned. A hair tie creation where wisdom is earned. In the whimsical world of threads and seam, tie up your hair, oh quilter, dream. So as you embark on quilting delight, with hair all tied up, your vision so bright. No locks in the stitches, no woes to pursue. Just stitches and laughter, oh quilter, woohoo!